Hi, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional of Saturday, July the 18th, 2020. The fourth Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1184. Yes. And before I start, I always count the numbers. The previous one has 25. Probably this one has 24. Let me count. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 22, 24. Yes, correct. Alright. So let's get started. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then 5, 1, 9. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, 1, and the 9. We have in this column the 5, 1, and the 9. So the 5, 1, and the 9 cannot be in these 3 boxes. So the 5 and the 5, 1, 9 should be in those 3 boxes. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So 2 digits left, the 5 and the 1. Let me mark them for you. How about the other 3 numbers? The other 3 numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 4. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 here. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 4. The 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Look, 2 pairs. Yes. These 2 numbers in the last column are the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, I cannot fill this yet. I marked them again. Alright. Yeah, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 there, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Let me see, 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be the 7. 8, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 3, 3. Then 9, 1. We have a cross here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, so no 5 in these 3 boxes, so the 5 could be in those 2 boxes. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be in these 2 boxes. 666 44 44 99 let me think 3. Well. 1 1. Let me think. 3 1 and a 5. 3 1 and a 5. 3 1. The missing numbers in the first row. 3 missing numbers. The 3 1 and the 5. 3 1 5. 3 1 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3 and a 1. So this box can be 3 or the 1. 1 digit left should be the 5. Here should be the 3 and the 1, 3 and the 1. So we have a 5 now. 1, the 2 is missing in the first column. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. That means the other 3 numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 6. And look, we have the 5 and the 6 here already. So this cannot be a 5 and a 6. This should be the 4. Here we have a 5 and a 6. So we have a pair again. I've told you a lot of pairs, especially in the 4 stars or 3 stars Sudokus. Then 4, yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4. Then 9. One. Yeah. 3, 2, 3, 2, and 8. 3, 2, 8. 8 should be here. 3, 2. I need a 2. I need a 2. 6, 6. I'm scanning the whole puzzle. Finding the needle. 719 6 3 4 5. Look in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, 4, 5. With a 3, 4, 5 in this row. So the 3, 4, 5 cannot be in these 2 boxes. So the 3, 4, 5 goes in those 3 boxes. In this big square. 3, 4, 5. We have a 5 and a 4 here. So in this box cannot be the 4 and the 5. This should be the 3. So the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. Our pair. The other pair in this big square are the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. Here a pair, here a pair, here a pair, there a pair. 176. Wait. 2, 8, and 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here an 8. See here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left. Should be the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left. 2 and an 8. This should be the 2. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row. We have a 5 and a 1 here. This should be the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 is missing. Yes. Well. These 2 boxes. 1, 7 and 6. 1, 7 and 6. No. Yeah. 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle columns, in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be the 8. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, that means 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 6. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 7, this should be the 1. 2 numbers left. Wait. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row, the 1 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now I have eliminated the 7, so the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this column, middle column, for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 5th puzzle in this additional. Will be a binary puzzle. So see you later and bye bye for now.